In this video, we will discuss what an integration hub is, the integration hub spokes provided by ServiceNow, and how they help in the implementation of an integration. Integration facilitates the exchange of information from and to ServiceNow with other tools or applications. Integration Hub supports the execution of third-party APIs as a flow when a specific event is triggered in ServiceNow. Integration Hub is an extension of the Flow Designer, which helps in integrating ServiceNow with other tools without the need to write codes. Moving on to the spoke, a spoke is a predefined action, flow, and/or integration for connecting or automating third-party system of processes within Flow Designer. A spoke is an easy-to-configure pre-built integration that enables adding actions quickly without even writing a script. Integration Hub provides 175+ spokes for base system integrations, and it also helps in creating custom integrations or building custom integrations with action designers. Integration Hub also supports the domain separation. Please note that the Integration Hub plugins require a separate subscription and must be activated before using it. Let's navigate to the Flow Designer and look at how the Integration Hub works. So, on the screen, you can see the various components of the Flow Designer, such as flows, subflows, actions, executions, and so on. Refer to the Flow Designer video by saasguru for more information on these components. So, in this video, we'll focus on the flows and connections. The connections are basically used to establish connectivity between two systems. We can use this to configure the connectivity between the two systems, which can be leveraged for all of the different types of integrations that we want to configure between the two systems. As you can see, we can change the scope and then set up the connections from here. Returning to the Flow Designer view. So, within this flow, we've already installed a Microsoft Add plugin for this demonstration. Then there are the two flows that come with it. We will see user onboarding and user offboarding. If we click on the user onboarding, we'll see the entire flow that comes out of the box here. The most important thing to notice here is that we can configure this flow without even writing a line of code. So, you can see all the actions here. The first one is that create users, so if I expand it, you can see here, the fields from Azure AD and the service are now mapped here. Then, as we scroll down, you will see the other actions. And then you can see that we can also customize this flow. And anything else we can think of to include, such as more actions and spokes. So, this is the Microsoft advertisement. And then, if I click on this Microsoft Add spoke, you will see the various types of actions that come with it for computer management, group management, object management, or the user management here. We can also enable it after we create the user by using this Enable User action, and we can define it and then save, and then this will be available for us.